You wake up at 6:47 a.m., 7 minutes before your alarm. Your body already knows. It's been doing this for 4,847 days, almost 13 years, same company. You tell yourself it's security, a good salary, benefits, stability. But as you stare at the ceiling, there's a feeling you can't quite name. You're earning more money than your parents ever imagined. And somehow, you're more broke than ever. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why that isn't a coincidence. It's intentional. This is the salary trap. Meet Sarah. She's 34. She earns $85,000 a year. On paper, she's in the top 20% of earners in her country. She should feel rich. She doesn't. Sarah gets paid every 2 weeks. That's $3,216 before taxes. After taxes, it's $2,458. Now this is where the trap gets interesting. The system never says, here's your money. Decide what to do with it. Instead, it does something far more clever. It breaks her money into invisible channels before she ever touches it. Rent, $1,200. Nearly half of her after-tax income. Groceries and dining out, $400. Car payment, insurance, gas, $550. Phone, internet, subscriptions, $120. Utilities, $140. By the time Sarah understands what her paycheck really means, $2,410 of her $2,458 is already gone. She has $48 left for 2 weeks. And here's the psychological genius of it. Sarah doesn't feel deprived. She has a car, a home, a good life. She's successful. The system gives you just enough comfort to stop you from asking why you're not actually building wealth. This is the salary trap's first weapon, the illusion of prosperity through fragmentation. When money arrives in one lump sum and disappears in small pieces, your brain never fully registers the truth. You're not moving forward, you're treading water. You have a lifestyle, not wealth. Now let's talk about what really keeps you stuck. And this is where it gets darker. The entire system is built to make you dependent on that paycheck. Think about it. You're told to get a good education, so you do. Maybe you go into debt for it. Now you need a job to justify that investment. You find one. Decent salary. Maybe $60,000. But the moment you accept it, something automatic happens. Your lifestyle expands to match your income. Economists call it lifestyle inflation. I call it the system's second
job at $60,000, and suddenly a nicer apartment is within reach. So you take it. A better car is affordable, so you upgrade. Your car payment jumps from $200 to $400. Then you're making $90,000. Now it's an even nicer place. $1,600 in rent. A newer car with a $500 payment. Maybe a vacation you never would have considered before. Each raise feels like freedom. But every raise tightens the noose, because now you're no longer free to leave. You need that salary just to maintain your life. You've built a financial existence that requires uninterrupted paychecks. This is what I call golden handcuffs. This is what I call golden handcuffs. And here's the cruel part. No one forced you. The system didn't demand it. It simply offered the option. And human psychology did the rest. We mistake progress for moving up, not for actually getting richer. So we step into lifestyles that consume every dollar we earn. A CEO making $500,000 a year can be just as trapped as someone making $50,000. If their lifestyle costs $450,000, your salary doesn't define your freedom. The gap between what you earn and what you spend does. And the system is designed to keep that gap razor thin. Let me introduce you to David.
Code pizza,
He
robot,
worked in
coffee,
tech,
help.
6 figures, deeply unhappy. Because he'd already committed to a $400,000 house,
No, not again.
2
How am I
car
supposed to pay
payments,
for both? This is a
kids in
nightmare.
private
This is so
school.
expensive. Oof, my savings are gone. Congratulations.
One day
David.
his company
Well-deserved.
offered a
Thank you.
promotion.
I'm thrilled. Let's
A
celebrate.
$20,000 raise. He felt relieved, grateful, like he'd won. Then his mortgage adjusted.
No, this can't be right.
His oldest needed braces. He replaced his car because repairs were piling up. Just like that, the stress didn't go down. It stayed exactly the same.
Why are there more bills?
Exactly the same. This is the system's most insidious trick. You're not building wealth with salary increases. You're accelerating your obligations faster than your income grows.
60% of professionals couldn't sustain their lifestyle for more than 1 month without a paycheck. Think about that. You're always 1 month away from a financial crisis. That's not security. That's a very comfortable prison. The salary trap convinces you this is normal. Work, earn, spend. Work harder, earn more, spend more.
But this isn't inevitable.
Whoa, a hidden lever.
It's not a law of physics.
System.
It's a choice. One that's been quietly made for you.
The moment you realize your salary isn't keeping you rich, it's keeping you busy enough to never become rich. Everything changes. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it.
How do
You
I
stop
make more money?
asking,
It's the same
how do I make
question.
more money? And start asking, why does all my money disappear? First, stop confusing income with wealth. A $200,000 salary
Obligations or
is
assets?
income.
Assets build wealth.
$50,000
I'll choose
in
this.
savings and
Time to water
investments
and grow.
is wealth. One is temporary. The other lasts. Second, attack the gap. Deliberately keep your expenses below your income. Third, redirect that gap into assets that work for
Save
you,
the difference.
not
Keep income high and
liabilities
block
that work
those
against
expenses.
you.
That's the key to financial.
Not liabilities that work against you. Build optionality. The moment you have 3 to 6 months of expenses
Watch your
saved,
assets grow. Let them work
something
for you,
shifts.
creating endless streams.
psychologically, you're no longer trapped. The salary trap is real. It's sophisticated, but it's not inescapable.
The salary trap is real. It's sophisticated, but it's not inescapable.
If you found this breakdown valuable and want to learn the real mechanics of building wealth, subscribe to this channel